Yo, what's good, man? So we're gonna try to find the best setups in the market. You know what I'm saying? So if you brand new, what you need, get you a 200 SMA or EMA moving average, and get you a 20 SMA or EMA moving average. Really don't matter, right? You need those two. All right, and then you want to get you a stochastic oscillator or a RSI or a TDI or something that shows overbought oversold levels, so that way you can play along with your boy. You know what I'm talking about? Trade along with your boy. Let's get it. All right. So I'm just kind of going through. I see a couple different things that on ooh, boom. Y'all see this right here? Y'all see how the 20 moving average is just been carrying these candles up nonstop? That's a good one. News dropped this thing way down here and it shot right back up there. But yeah, so this is a good one definitely for buys for sure. I mean that's a given. That one's a little choppy. Okay, that one is giving sales. I'm just looking. All right, let me go US 30. See what US 30 looking like. It gave us some strong bearish momentum right here. These two candles, boom, boom, drop below the 200 and the 20. US 30 might be the play. You know I love a good US 30 trade. So we're gonna go here with this 80. Oh, with that 80. And I'm about to sell off about 2 or 3 of those. Boom. All right. Now, the reason why I'm selling on this, of course, is because both candles are below the 200 moving average and the 20. Right? We already got a crazy pullback here, dropping down to form a new low somewhere in here. You feel me? Or maybe even somewhere in here. So that's what I'm looking like. All right, drawdown might get a little crazy, not too much. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't worried about it. Let me check that margin. You always want to check your free margin over here to make sure you still got room to place more trades. I'm good. I got 18,000 margin. We straight. 18,000 margin is good. You place too big of a lot size, that margin gonna turn red and they're gonna snatch you out of that trade so quick. You hear me? Snatch you right up out of there like you do not belong here. All right, so you always want to make sure your lot size is good. But so far, hey, we've been proven. We crossed back below both of these. Oh, yeah, it's a go. Look at that. We're already up 200. 300. Ooh, wee, that's a good scalp. That's a good scalp. Should I hold or should I scalp that? Let me pull my stuff up. 400. Oh, man. God. Damn, I'm trying to pull my stuff up so I can see if I want to take a scalp or no. I'm missing out on my paper. Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? Nah, I'm going to wait now. I'm going to wait. I got to wait now. I got to wait now, man. We was up 400. I should have scalped him up, huh? That momentum too heavy, though. I think we still going to drop crazy, y'all. I ain't going to lie to you. So we just going to hold and not fold. But you always want to look for, first thing you want to look for is the candles above or below the 200 moving average. If they're below it, it's a downtrend, right? So we got that out. We identify that. Then you want to see, okay, are the candles below the 200? I mean, the 20 moving average. If they are, hey, the trend is down, right? The best place to get in, of course, is, when the market pull back. This ain't just clear. This ain't just a clear downtrend because it's kind of sideways, as you can see. Market kind of just going this way. But, when you get to a downtrend like this, pull back, you enter here, let it drop, pull back, you can enter again, let it drop. You know what I'm saying? That's great market structure. Right now we kind of moving sideways. But let me go up here. Let's see. NAS 100 kind of looking like that too. Oh, this is looking good. These are the ones you like. So this is a GBP AUD. Look at this one. We above the 200, and we just crossed above this 20. So we trying to carry that thing to at least this zone right here. That's like the next strongest zone, but that may happen over time. So, but that's how quick you can find them buys, and understand that this is an uptrend, right? And you see the stochastic getting high. So that means we do got a small pullback coming. I see we hit cross 400 again. 500. All right, let me go take a peek, man. US 30 moved too fast for me. By the time I go look, it'll be at 200 again. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Oh, yeah. We looking good, baby. I should have just set me a, I'm trying to, let me, not yet. Oh, there we go. Close all. I see it now. Boom. Now I know where it's at. I'm going to wait. So, I'm just now figuring that out. I know y'all probably watching the screen like, bro, you should have been closed. But look, you go here, go all the way to the bottom, and you can close all trades. Boom. All right. So, missed another opportunity to close, but it is what it is. But yeah, so this one too, this is USD CAD. That thing, he dropping. Okay, we back. We back, y'all. Let me go here. Close all trades. Boom. All right. It's $480, maybe $500. Easy money, man. Y'all see how quick that was? How quick you can find setups? Get in there and get it popping. So y'all can see right here, clear as day, what happened. So this candle right here rejected heavy off the 200 moving average, right? Rejected. Then we got a close right below the 20, and look what happened. Boom, right there, easy money. You feel me? Easy money. All right. So somebody was asking me like, you know, how do you know where to put a stop loss and all that kind of stuff, right? So this is what I would do if I use stop loss. I don't really use them that much because of stop hunts. And if you don't know what that is, sometimes the market will spike, hit your stop loss, and then go in your direction. I had to happen to me a few times in like a London session when I used to trade 3 a.m. So I just stopped using them, but I still use them every now and then. But this is what you could do. All right. So let's say we cross right below here. All right. I would say go 2 to 3 candles back and then put a stop loss. So like 1, 2, throw a stop loss right in there. Right. And then from here you protect it because at least you could set it like here. Some people might set theirs even like a little bit above the 200. You know what I'm saying? So between here and here, you should be good. And then as you can see, as soon as it crosses below, you enter, and then you got all of this here. You wait for it to pull back, and if you want to do a second entry, you could. And look at it. And look how much money you would have made this whole play. You know what I'm saying? Because easy. I mean, it's just, and you could do that nonstop. Now, sometimes the market is choppy, so you got to take that into account that the market can be choppy sometimes. So, but I'm telling you, like, look at this, y'all. You get nonstop movement. Nonstop movement. I'm about to go back. Let me show you because I want to show y'all. This is G. This is right here. Look at this. We already below. We already below this one anyway. You already seen, right? The market consolidation, heavy consolidation. Usually when this happens, I usually have me a little box that I do, a little rectangle box that I put around it. All right, let it consolidate a little bit. And then eventually it'll break out, but it broke right below. So if you didn't want to get in right when it broke below, you could wait till the next candle close. You could have entered and then put your stop loss. Like I said, 1 to 2 candles. Or if you like, if these candles is too small, just put it some here, like right here at the high. The last high, boom. All right, so now you in there and then you hold market retrace. Second one, if you want to get in again, market retest again. Below the 20, you in there again. Sell off. It just keeps doing it every pair. And y'all just literally watch me do this. Like y'all just literally been every day watching me do this. Quick, getting in quick scalps. If you want to hold long term, you can. It really don't matter. Matter of fact, I want to go to let me go to gold as well. I like trading gold, even though I ain't got it on my favorites. I need to put it on there. We on gold. So look, we already above the 200 moving average. All right, y'all see that? Then the candle closes here. I mean, it pushed up, then closed here. So this is your entry on the buy. An entry on the buy because we're already in the uptrend and we closed above the 20. Cool. Now your stop loss. Your stop loss can either go down here at this point, or it can go like a little bit below the 200. All right, so now that you entered here, we got a little pullback, right? Got a little drawdown, but the 20 caught it, carried that thing on up, and now you out. Second entry here, if you wanted to get in, boom. But y'all see the power, it never came down and touched your stop loss, and it just keeps doing it. Now this here is this side over here, so let me remove all this right here. This side over here, how do you catch this entry? Get you a stochastic, TDI, RSI for your overbought, oversold level. This is how you get in early. You can get in early based off of that. And if you mark up your charts from the daily all the way down to like the M15, I'll trade off the M15. But if you mark your chart up like that, top-down analysis, then you'll be able to see that this would have probably been an H1 zone that it rejected off of. And you got the stochastic high, right? So if I draw a line straight down, of course, you can see that's where the entry is. All right, line a little crooked, but you can see. That's pretty much where the whole entry, the whole play started, all right? So now, first entry, the market's selling off, okay? Then we cross below this. Oh, yeah, we there. So now, if we enter here, since we crossed below, we still on the uptrend, so you did have to be cautious. But if you wanted to, you know, get in, where would your stop loss go? Your stop loss can go to this zone, right? Your stop loss can go back up here, and now you in the trade, and it didn't come back. Boom, long term. You know what I'm saying? So this stuff works, man. It's powerful stuff. I mean, like I said, all you need to know, basic support and resistance, basic, you know, these two indicators. Right now, look at where the market is currently. You see what happened. We dipped below this 20, right? Okay, we start getting a little, we didn't quite hit the bottom, but we got close. As long as we didn't pass this though, this 200, you see how it came through, but we didn't pass this. You already know the market was going back up. You could have got an early entry here. Then we crossed above. Right here, we closed above. So if you would have accidentally entered here, you would have went a little drawdown. Caught another one because it retested right off the 20. Another entry, and then boom. Now the 20 is now carrying the candles, and you in there. Your stop loss way down here. You know what I'm saying? Or way down here. You know what I'm saying? Or way down here. And you would have still been eating the whole time. So, I mean, like I said, this thing works. I've been seeing y'all results, you know, in the comment section. I've been hearing y'all tell me. I've been seeing y'all stuff on Instagram, and y'all loving it, and y'all been profitable. And it is that simple. People's asking me, like, is it really that simple? I'm like, yeah, bro. It's really that simple. You know what I'm saying? So, now, real quick, let me show you this. So you see how the stochastic is getting high, but we are on the uptrend. So just let you know, whenever the stochastic is high and we're on the uptrend, the sale may not last that long. Now it could. You see this one lasted quite some time, but we're expecting for the sale not to last that long. Maybe 2 to 3 candles and then turn around. So I'll give you a hint. As long as this candle doesn't pass the middle, how about I say the middle of the Keltner, but this 20 moving average, as long as we don't pass this and start coming down here, you're good. So we could come down a little bit, close here, and then shoot right back up, potentially. You know what I'm saying? So this is going to be your good rule of thumb. This 20 going to be your rule of thumb. Once we start closing below this and coming back down here, now if we start closing below here, then you know it's over with. Trend over with. We didn't switch directions. But as long as we're above both of these, we in there. All right. So that's trading, y'all. Easy money. You can do this every single day of your life. No matter what you trading, you can do this and you can make money. Hold, don't fold. You feel me? Hold, don't fold. So last thing before I go, I'm going to just do one more right here. I just want y'all to say in y'all head what y'all would do. Matter of fact, no, we're going to go to a different pair. That way, let me go to GJ. All right, bet. So on GJ, what would you be looking for on GJ? Based on what you know. Now, it look a little different, look a little choppy, but based on what you know, comment what you would do. All right, so I'm going to tell y'all what I would do. I would be looking for the what? Buy. Come on now. Why? Because we're above the 200, and we kind of skating around this 20, but we good. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of rejection in here. As you can see, rejection, rejection, rejection. We already pushed up, getting a little pullback, and I believe we're going to take off. Right? So these are the ones you can hold long term. You know, as you notice that 20, once they go above, they start carrying it. It dropped back below, but it never came back down here. So we hold for the buy, hold long term until we push out of there. Even if it come down here, we wait, right? You don't just start entering like a bunch of entries. Like let's say you enter here, but it keep coming down. You just keep entering. Nah, we wait till we get close to a zone. So let's say we enter here. Okay, this is a zone, so this could be a second entry. This here is another zone where it bounced and went up. So this is another entry, right? And then from there, I'll probably just hold. And then, like I said, if it start coming way too low, then we can, you know, we can just go ahead and take that loss and exit. You know what I'm saying? But that's kind of how I would do mine. So, but as long as we above this, right, then we know we still taking off. That's just kind of how you look at it. All right, so keep that in mind as you trade, man. Holla at your boy in the comment section. Let me know what you need to see, and I'll be back with more videos, you know. Let's get it.